Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video on app guide I'm going to show you how you can recover your Litmatch account. So if you are on Litmatch for a certain while but have problem logging into your account but now want to recover your account and all the data and information associated to your account, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how you can do that. So for this, first of all, head over to your Litmatch app. And as you open up the app, wait for a certain while until you land on an interface that takes you to the login part. So here I'm currently waiting for the app to load, and now what I can do is I can either log in with Facebook or Google, and there's also another option that I can probably use in order to log in. But since I'm trying to recover my account, what I'll have to do is tap on any login problems. As I tap on any login problems, I'm directed towards an account or a page that basically looks like this, where it's gonna ask me the following information, that is, what kind of login issue am I having. So I'm just gonna tap on the particular login issue, tap on the issue that best suits you, and now what you can do is you can give in your Litmatch nickname over here if you remember it. Also give in the birthday that you had used in order to sign up for your account. So here I'm just gonna give in the birthday that I had used previously, and after doing that you can also type in the email address if you had used. So here it says that you will be informed about the result via this email address. So I'm just gonna type in the email address, and after typing in the email address you can tap on submit request. So here it says, please pay attention to your email. We will inform you of the result as soon as possible. Tap on the OK button. After you do that, you'll have to wait for an email to come from Litmatch. And if you receive an email from Litmatch, it will provide you with the basic instructions on how you can get ahead with recovering your account by sending you certain links on how you will be able to retrieve your information. So this is basically how you can do it. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has been able to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.